Hey, what is up guys? This is FNH here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can use your Weslo Cadence G5.9i Treadmill without having to activate it. Okay, it's really simple, and I believe that everyone who has this treadmill should do this without activating it, because personally I really don't see the point of activating it, and it's just making some people have to pay more for this iFit service that you really don't need. Alright, so it's really simple. So once you get to Treadmill, there's a button on the I can't really show you, mainly because it's right next to the wall, but there is a button over here on the bottom all the way, and you want to just make sure that that is turned on, right? And then once you have that button, right, and you switch it, turn it on from the bottom, you want to have the red magnet in, right? Make sure that that is plugged in properly, and then you want to hold the Bluetooth button over here for 30 seconds. Okay, just keep on holding it for 30 seconds, and then all you do is press start over here. Alright, and then once you press start, you can change whatever speed you want. Start with like 1 or 2 miles an hour, right, and then go on from there. Okay, so that's basically, you just have to do that once, right, and you basically activate it without having to connect it to your phone or anything. Okay, and that's really simple to do. That's pretty much all you need to do. So yeah, don't pay for the service that they're telling you to get, the iFit service, right? I believe it's not worth it, and it's not really necessary to do it. Okay, so if you're just looking for a good treadmill, get a nice workout without all the extra stuff, just follow these steps and you should be good to go with this treadmill. So yeah, if you liked the video, make sure to like it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the description below. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for other great videos like this. Other than that, FNH out.